Jennifer Bennett.
Thank you to the Chamber. Thank you to members of the audience who are here with us. Thank you to all the candidates for participating tonight. I'm very glad to be here with you. Just to tell you a little about me, I'm not a developer, I'm not a real estate agent, I'm not a landlord. I'm a mother, I'm a teacher, and I'm a historian. My interests are tied to maintaining and growing what's great about Boone. So it'll be the place more people want to raise their families, to visit, and to invest in. My goals are to be sensible, thoughtful, and open-minded about the difficult challenges we face in Boone. I want to be as transparent as possible in decision-making processes. I'd like to hear from all concerned parties and do what's in the best interest of as many people as possible. The choices we make today can make or break the visions the people of Boone have set forth in the Comprehensive Plan and the 2030 Plan. We want a high quality of life here. We want to protect our environment. We want to encourage and support the small businesses that are the backbone of our small town. And none of this is easy, but it's all possible. That's why we need people without party bias, family connections, and business interests competing for their own personal benefit. This isn't a game. The choices we make impact people's lives and the future of our town. People want open, accountable government. What we've seen in DC, in Raleigh, and even locally with the Board of Elections and the county commissioners are the interests of the few ignoring what's best for the many. It's self-serving, immoral, and just plain wrong. That's not what I want for Boone. I hope you'll consider supporting me as your next Boone Town Council member. Thank you.